Welcome to Module 6.14, Effective Data Visualization. Building on our discussion of visual representation, this session focuses on creating clear, ethical, and impactful data visuals. We'll explore core design principles that enhance comprehension, common pitfalls that can distort or confuse, and tools that support high-quality visualization. Whether you're communicating with researchers, policymakers, or the public, strong visual design can make the difference between insight and misunderstanding. Effective visual design begins with optimizing the data-ink ratio, using just enough visual elements to convey meaning without unnecessary embellishment. Establishing visual hierarchy guides the viewer's eye to the most important information through size, placement, or contrast. Color should enhance clarity, not distract. It should support grouping, contrast, or emphasis while remaining accessible to colorblind users. Choosing appropriate scales prevents distortion and ensures data is interpreted accurately. Finally, minimizing chart junk, like decorative shading, grid lines, or irrelevant icons, helps keep the message focused and the visual clean. Even well-intentioned visuals can mislead if not carefully designed. Misleading axes, such as non-zero baselines, can exaggerate differences or trends. 3D effects often distort data relationships and should generally be avoided. Choosing the wrong chart type can obscure meaning. For example, using a pie chart when a bar chart would be clearer. Color confusion arises when too many colors are used without clear purpose, or when colorblind, unfriendly palettes are chosen. Lastly, overly complex displays with too much data or clutter can overwhelm viewers and defeat the purpose of the visualization. Awareness of these pitfalls leads to more trustworthy and digestible visuals. There are many tools available for creating high-quality visualizations. Statistical software like R and SPSS offer built-in options for generating charts as part of data analysis. Specialized tools like Tableau and Power BI are designed for dynamic dashboards and interactive reports. Design software such as Adobe Illustrator or InDesign provides full control over the aesthetic details of a visual. Online platforms like DataWrapper and Flourish make it easy to create and embed visuals without coding. For more customization, programming libraries like D3.js and ggplot2 allow for powerful, flexible visualizations tailored to specific needs. The right tool depends on your data, audience, and goals.